All right, Tanishka, how would you want to disagree to these points?
Ma'am, I disagree with Yashka's point because we can also do exercises at home with we can do yoga, aerobics and Zumba in Zoom meetings also.
Correct. I can see Tanishk has been waiting with a point, a very valid point that he has. Yes, Tanishk, you may speak up your point.
We all have family members who go out for some work. We can get corona even while staying at home. We are big enough to take care of ourselves and follow COVID protocols set by the government.
Yes, Anvi.
I disagree with Tanishk because when our dad or mom come from their work, so they sanitize their self and sleep on another room.
Okay, Anvi. Hardik, what would you want to say against it?
School helps students to engage in other physical activities like skating, dancing, playing, etc. that keep them away from mobile phone, etc.
Good, Hardik. Yes, Ashmeet.
Mom, school has not opened because harmful of children because very increasing for corona.
All right, Ashmeet. Riddhi, I can see your hands raised. Do you want to say something? For a long time.
There are network issues, so some children not attended the class. Some children don't have mobile phones, so they can't attend the class. So they get fail in exams. They are sending gaming idea in chat box and talking to their friends.
Okay. Devik, I think that you want to add on to it. What are your points, Vita?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my point is that there are many children that they have many connection problems in the class and they are not able to afford Wi-Fi connections.
Thank you, Devik. Aksh, what are your points? I would want you also to add on to the favor point.
The phone screen is very harmful for our eyes and
Speak loudly.
the phone screen is very harmful for our eyes and school would be open because our study is very important.
Thank you, Aksh. Ketan, do you want to say something? You have raised the point. Do you want to disagree?
Other countries has better message strategies, but India has not better strategies.
Okay, so Ketan is talking about the medical facilities that India is lacking. Thank you, Ketan. Yes, Gaurav, would you want to join in with your points in it?
Small children cannot take care of themselves.
All right, Ishika. Ishika Gehlot.
Okay, ma'am. I disagree with Shaurya because India is very populated country and less medical and one mistake can be causes numerous deaths.
Okay, that is correct, Rishika. India is a populated country and it can be very dangerous. All right. Is there anybody who has not spoken and would want to give the valid point? You may raise the hands. Yes, Tanishka, what is the point?
Ma'am, my point is that after attending our classes for 3 to 4 hours, our mothers call us saying that by saying that you have watched phone 3 to 4 hours and go and rest your eyes. So we do not have time to watch our phones.
Okay, all right. So because Tanishka has to compensate with her playing time on mobile phone than studies. Thank you, Tanishka. It was a valid point. Yes, Hardik, what is the point? Hardik, you're on mute. Unmute yourself.
A school must open as it helps students to cope up with their daily anxiety and depression due to being alone.
Thank you, Hardik, for such a nice point. Students can get depressed because they are lonely and alone at home. Yes, Anvi.
According to medical science, COVID will stay on Earth forever. So we have to find out a way to live in COVID.
Thank you, Anvi. Yes, Gaurav.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you want to say something?
Many children are playing games and watching videos in mobile phone that we cannot take online classes in mobile.
Thank you, Gaurav. Tanishk, I see you have a valid point and waiting for your turn.
Ma'am, I disagree with Anvi. We have seen a huge decline in COVID cases worldwide. A lot of countries are going maskless and schools are open there. So why not in India?
Okay. Tanishka, what would you want to say against it?
Ma'am, I want to say against Hardik that we can also play with our brothers and sisters and for one day, once in a week or
Okay.
12 or second, we can go or we can invite our friends to our houses.
Very good point, Tanishka. Thank you. Paranditya, what would you want to say? We cannot hear you, Param. I'm so sorry. We cannot hear you. Do you want to log off and log in back? I'll wait for you. You're not connected to audio. We cannot hear you, Bache. By that time, Hardik, please speak up your point.
I disagree from Tanishka because our brother and sister be busy in her work, then they can't play with him. Then we can't play with our brother and sisters.
All right, all right. So there would be some situations when we would not be able. Yes, Yashika Gutara. Unmute. Yashika is not here. Ashmeet.
Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you, Param. I'll come back to you. Okay, I'll come back to you. Yes, Ashmeet.
Okay, ma'am.
What is your point?
Ma'am, school be not open because very children's vaccine do not come.
Okay, so vaccine for children have not come yet. Yes, Yashika. What is the point?
Ma'am, I disagree with Tanesh because 18 plus people have vaccinated, but 18 plus before people are not vaccinated.
All right. Yes, Ayansh.
And it is harmful for children.
Okay, Yashika. Ayansh, what is the point? Let us pile up all the points of against team. Yes, Ayansh.
We are not in favor opening of school because without the opening school, we do study, dance, competition, debate, competitions through online.
All right. Param, what is your point?
Ma'am, in the online class, does not do our practical, but in the school, we have do our activities and also do practical and teachers made children's discipline.
That is correct, Param. Thank you. Aradhya.
175 country school had open. We in India are lagging behind or our economic rate in going down. Thank you.
I agree to your point. Ayansh, what would you want to say?
We are not in favor of open the school because we had lot of online facility of studies, playing, in entertainment, yoga, and also do some help of our elders.
Thank you, Ayansh. Yes, Anvi.
And last, I will say, Jaan hai to jahan hai. So let's be online and not open the school. Use technologies like Zoom and Microsoft Teams to study.
Okay, thank you, Anvi. Anvi is all set to stay at home. Okay, so I think now it is time to wrap up this debate because I understand you have a lot of points and you can argue on these points till night. Is that correct? So let us wrap up this debate and I hand it over to Devik. Devik, please end this debate.
Okay, ma'am.
Are you going to say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Dear friends, it seems difficult to come to a conclusion with this debate full of perspectives and views. However, all that is important is the future of our country. We all are equally worried about their future and health. We all wish that this COVID ends soon and gives us our freedom back.
Despite of talking all the fears of sending students out to study, we all wish for their health first. We wish to get a life before COVID. We all miss going out to play, study, and meet our friends. Thank you.
Thank you everybody to join in. And this was a heartfelt debate and views that we all feel and relate to. Thank you very much. I'll end this debate now. Thank you for joining in. Thank you, teachers, to join in. And I would want Sonia ma'am to say, Sonia ma'am would want to say something.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sonia ma'am, are you here with us? Sonia ma'am, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you want to say something to my students?
Yes, lot many things to say. Wait a second, ma'am. Yes, good morning, everyone. Good morning, dear teachers. Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. So you all did very well job done. Kavita ma'am, you have coordinated so well that they knew where they have to speak, what they have to speak, and I'm sure the points they raised were their own points, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So very well done job, kiddos. Appreciated. I'm very happy that you are doing it so professionally, as if you have been learning it from many years. It's like that. But it's your second time. For grade 4, it's their first time, and for grade 5 is their second time, and you all are doing it very nicely. So clap for every one of you, and Kavita ma'am also. You did a great job, ma'am. Seriously,
Thank you. Clap for yourselves.
very happy to see your performances, and obviously you all are winners. But we will share the results soon. I'll coordinate with Kavita ma'am, and we will share the result. And for me, you all are winners because you all have done a great job.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, everybody. And thank you other teachers to join in and take your time. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.
Bye-bye. You too have a good day.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.